Good morning, students. So we'll start third part of topographical maps. In this video, I am going to explain eastings, northings, 4-figure and 6-figure grid reference, interpretation of color tints used on a topographical survey of India map. Let's start with eastings. Eastings are imaginary lines, these vertical lines indicated with 71, 72, 73, 74. So these lines indicated with different number that increases numerically toward east side. So these are called eastings. Northings. These horizontal lines, slipping lines indicated with 07, 08, 09 that increases numerically toward north. So these are called northings. Together, northing and eastings that makes grid. So you will find these bold line, blackboard line called eastings and dash lines are considered as northings. So together northings and eastings that form different grids here. So we have to find out 4-figure and 6-figure grid reference of point P, Q, R, S, T. So these are the locations or these are the symbols given in different grids. So we have to find out first 4-figure grid reference of point P. So this P symbol is indicated or mentioned in this grid. So what is the 4-figure grid reference of this P symbol? So we have to find out 4-figure. We have to write easting first and northing at last. So the west side easting line indicated with 82 will come first, and the northing line which is at the bottom of this symbol indicated with 13. So the 4-figure grid reference of this P symbol is 82, 13. To find out 6-figure grid reference, what we have to do? We have to divide northing line in 10 equal parts. So when these two lines intersect at the common point, that will be considered as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 0. So we can say 82, and if we divide this line and suppose P symbol located on, that lies on 5th point. So 82, 5, then we have to write 1, 3 and we have to divide this easting line in 10 equal parts. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So suppose this P symbol that lies on 3rd part. So 82, 5, 13, 3. This is the 6-figure grid reference. Next is Q. Q symbol is located here. The 4-figure grid reference of Q is 82 because easting line lies on the west side of this Q symbol 82 and northing line that lies at the bottom of Q 11, 82, 11. So 6-figure grid reference for this symbol, we have to divide this northing line in 10 equal parts. So here suppose this Q symbol lie on 7. So what will be the 6-figure grid reference? 8, 2, 7, 1, 1. Then for the last digit, we have to divide this easting line in 10 equal parts. Suppose 7 will be there. So 8, 2, 7, 1, 1, 7. So this is the 6-figure grid reference of Q. Then R. What is the 4-figure grid reference of R? R is located on this easting indicated with 84 and the bottom northing that lies at the bottom, northing line which located at the bottom of this R symbol is 12. So the 4-figure grid reference of R is 84, 12. Now to find out 6-figure grid reference, again we have to divide this northing line in 10 equal parts. So when these two lines intersect, so this point will be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So and again easting line we have to divide in 10 equal parts, 0, 1, 2, 3. Or we can properly if we'll do with the scale. So with the scale this point will come at 5. So what will be the 4-figure grid, 6-figure grid reference of this? 8, 4, 0, 1, 2, 5. This is the 6-figure grid reference of point R. Then S. What will be the 4-figure grid reference of point S? So we have to check the easting line. The west side easting line of S symbol is 84 and this symbol lies on northing, so it will be 11. So the 4-figure grid reference of point S is 8, 4, 11. And if we have to calculate the 6-figure grid reference of point S or the symbol S, again we have to divide this northing line in 10 equal parts. Suppose here it will be 7. So here 8, 4, 7, 1, 1. We have to divide this easting line in 10 equal parts. So these two lines intersect. So here it will be 0. So the 6-figure grid reference of this point is 8, 4, 7, 1, 1, 0. And now the last is T. What is the 4-figure grid reference of this point? The west side easting line indicated with 85 and bottom northing line 09. So 8509 is the 4-figure grid reference of T. To find out 6-figure grid reference, first we have to divide northing line in 10 equal parts. Suppose this T symbol lie on 3 and on easting this symbol lie on 3. So the 6-figure grid reference is 853093. Interpretation of color tints. Now there are different colors given on topographical map and there is a unique significance. We say each color indicate different symbols or different landforms here. So black color, that is used to show the seasonal water bodies, river banks, dry tank, broken ground, dry stream means seasonal stream. Survey tree. Survey tree means when we measure the height of the tree. Height and their numbering means spot height, railway line, telephone, telegraph line, latitude, longitude, international, national and state boundaries. Blue color is used to show the water bodies like lakes, canals, wells. Even the river also come here. So blue color depicts the perennial water bodies and black color shows the seasonal water bodies. Green color shows forest area, orchards, scattered trees, shrubs. Yellow indicates cultivated land or agricultural land. White color depicts uncultivated land, barren land. Brown indicates contour lines, their numbering, form line, sand features like sand hills and sand dunes. Red color is used to show the grid lines, their numberings, roads, car tracks, settlements, huts and buildings. There are certain symbols or there are certain terms are given here, car tracks, form lines, that we have to learn these 2 points in another videos with the help of symbols. Now see, this is the one sample of topographical map. If you will observe at the bottom, so the scale is given here, this black line with divisions, this is linear scale. This 1:50,000 is an example of representative fraction and this 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer, that depicts the statement scale. So there are 3 types of scale given at the bottom of the map and this is the fixed scale, students. 1:50,000, 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Now see, what is contour interval? The difference in height between 2 successive or 2 consecutive contour line is known as contour interval. And there is a fixed contour interval of all topographical maps, that is 20 meter. If you will observe this map carefully, this blue color indicates with a perennial water body and this symbol is for that reservoir. If you will see 10R is written at the, that lies or located outside of this symbol, 10R. So if you will see, observe in your book this symbol. So here this outside boundary is embankment, means this is reservoir and this is the boundary of reservoir. This is called embankment. So what 10R represent here? 10R stands for the relative height of, the boundary of reservoir is 10 meters. So this is relative height of the embankment of reservoir. This black color, this is indicated with, this black dots. This is considered as river bed. So we can say this symbol indicated with black color, these are river. This is 1, this is 2. So we can say these are seasonal rivers. And this black bold line, that is indicated with black stream, black color indicating stream here, but these are seasonal in nature. And here we can say this is yellow color indicates cultivated land. White color indicates uncultivated area or barren land. Here this color is not, given properly here. This color is faded here. This is not properly mentioned. So here we can say this is green color, which indicates the forests. So dense mixed jungle, it means there is a dense forest cover. This brown color contour line indicates a physical feature, or there is a mountain hill is here in the southeast side. Now next, this is another topographical map. See this red line indicated with these numbers 02, 03, 04. These standing lines, these are eastings, and these horizontal line, red lines, these are northings, 23, 24, 25, 26. So here it is given 72 degree. If the line will be given with black color, so that will be considered as longitude. If the black color line will be given here in between the grid, so that will be considered as latitude. So here again yellow color, that depicts the cultivated area, and white color indicates the uncultivated area. This is considered as, these black lines, these are seasonal streams, and we can say Dantarai is the name of the settlement. So this is all about we can say the significance of different colors. Next you will see these are the new maps. So earlier, if you will see in your book, so you will find at the top of the map, you will find the sheet number is 45D by 7 and 45D by 10. Now see, this is 45D by 7. Earlier the topo maps where the sheet number was given 45D by 7, but now these new maps are prepared and this number is changed here. 45D by 7 is replaced by this number G43S7. Scale is same. So easting and northing, everything is same. So content is same, nothing is changed, but only the sheet number and little bit layout is changed. Rest every information is same. So please observe the sheet number in your book. You will find either 45D by 7, 45D by 10. So 45D by 7 is replaced by number G43S7 with same scale, with same content, but only number is changed. Now this is the next map, and you will find some topo map in which you will find the number 45D by 10, and that is replaced by new number G43S10 with same scale, with same content, nothing is changed, everything is same, but only sheet number is changed. So please read all the map. Take care. Thank you. Have a